Without wasting your time, here are 10 AI video generators to create viral videos in minutes. Just give them prompts and these AI video generators create stunning videos that would go viral. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. In case you are new here, kindly support us by subscribing to this channel. Like and share this video and don't forget to turn on the notification for more videos. Now, let me show you the 10 AI video generators. To use all the tools discussed in this video, I have included the links in the description below. Kindly follow the links and start creating stunning videos. Number 1. Submagic. You can use this tool to make your viral short videos more captivating with captions, B-rolls, zooms, and sound effects in just 3 minutes.
Me and my therapist talk about like my higher goddess, my higher self. Like I always want to live there, knowing that, you know, when I'm there, you can't take that away from me. That's mine. And no matter what, you can disagree with me, you can agree with me. That's not going, I'm not changing, I'm not shifting. I'm here, I'm in my higher goddess. Yeah. So I always live by like keep holding my happiness and not letting anyone else.
Number 2 is HeyGen.
Introducing HeyGen 5.0, your one-stop AI video generation platform. Need to create product demos, educational videos, marketing ads, and other exciting content? Now you can with HeyGen. HeyGen 5.0 includes a brand new product interface. Now everyone can easily access our latest products. A new AI studio, streaming avatar, personalized video, and video translation. Let's dive in. Bring your videos to life in our AI studio. In the new studio, our script interface has moved to the left panel, and the timeline now supports multi-track elements, making it more convenient to create and edit videos. Using our streaming avatar product to create real-time interactions in live chats or live streams with your audience.
I am a demo streaming avatar designed to assist with any questions you might have.
In personalized videos, you can select one template to upload your audience list and video onto HeyGen. In just a few clicks, this product helps you create and send personalized videos in bulk. And last but not least, video translation allows you to translate your videos into multiple languages while maintaining your original voice and natural lip movements. It's never been easier to go global. This is HeyGen 5.0, your one-stop platform for all your video generation needs.
Number 3. Clap. If you have a podcast on YouTube or upload long-form video content, you can repurpose it to create short-form video content for other social media platforms. This is what Clap is specialized in doing. Simply paste a link to your YouTube video or upload a video file into Clap. Their rule of thumb: a 1-minute long video produces about 5 video clips. Let Clap's AI magically create vertical videos for you. Just sit back and relax while Clap does all the work for you. In a matter of minutes, Clap will give you multiple viral-worthy clips from your original video that you can use for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. Post your videos and grow your followers. After you make any final touches on your clipped videos, you're all set to export them in high resolution and share them on your other social channels. Get ready to see your followers and engagement grow.
But I have to say, I am quite alarmed. Not only that this thing exists, but I don't think we're ready for it. And I don't think we're ready for it in a couple different ways. I mean, if you want to comfort yourself and say, well, this isn't that serious that we have this AI that can do these really shocking things. The comforting thing is that the way it's programmed, it doesn't know what it's saying. It doesn't matter that it convinces you that it's saying something and it means it, and you know that it seems like a creative entity. What it's doing is it is basically using a predictive model that has been trained on a huge data set of written language, right? So the answer is, if you take 3 words in a row, can you predict what the next word is going to be? And they've allowed it, they've exposed it to a large data set, and it's gotten really good at predicting basically these sequences to the point that it can now, if you prompt it correctly, it can spit out these very long explanations. Some of them are dead wrong, sometimes they're right on target. But I have 2 concerns about it.
Number 4. Fade.
Hey travelers! Today, we're diving into the heart of Japan and exploring some must-know travel tips for your next adventure in Tokyo.
Okay, this is my voice sample about getting around. Tokyo's transportation is top-notch. The trains are super punctual and the easiest way to zip around the city. Grab a suica or a Passmo card to hop on and off trains and buses like a local. Now, food. Tokyo is a paradise for food lovers. From sizzling street food to high-end sushi, your taste buds are in for a treat. Make sure to try some local favorites like ramen, tempura, and of course, fresh sushi. And don't miss out on the vending machines.
Des sushis frais. Doras están por todas. そしてもちろん新鮮な寿司など地元のお気に入りをぜひ試してみてください。
Number 5. vsub.io. vsub helps you to create faceless videos in seconds with AI. Number 6. OSA.
Welcome to OSA. What you're watching right now is a prime example of our platform's potential. Turning ideas into captivating videos has never been easier. Simply visit our Create page, type your script, select your video parameters, and in minutes you'll have an optimized video ready to upload on social media. OSA AI gives you the tools needed to create engaging videos effortlessly. You can generate your first 3 videos for free. If you don't know where to start when it comes to writing a script, you can use the Generate with AI button on the Create page, and our custom script writer will guide you through the process. After you create your first video, you can use the OSA Studio to change images and other aspects of your video. We are excited for you to leverage OSA to reach your social media goals.
Number 7. InVideo. Number 8. Descript AI. Number 9. Gling.
I'm going to upload the video you've just watched to Gling. The app transcribes the video and automatically cuts out all my failed attempts and silences between takes. I can now export the video to all major video editing software at lossless quality. Let's use DaVinci Resolve for the demonstration. You can immediately see all those cuts that Gling did for you. You're welcome. And the nice part is that you still have all the flexibility of the original file. Gling did all the cuts, but no data was lost in the process. So don't burn yourself out with mindless editing. Focus on the creative part and let Gling do the rest.
Last but not least, we have Revit AI. With Revit, you create videos for social media platforms using AI with just text prompts.